Good morning. This is Frank with the Morning Quick Shot, brought to you by Trade Stockers and InterPro Traders. It is Wednesday, June the 28th. It's about 6:30 Central Standard Time. Let's take a look and see what happened last night. Looks like we had opens at 24.17. A little bit of movement up and down. Looks like overnight lows around the 13.75 area. Overnight highs. Well, initially was right here at 20 in these last few minutes. Kind of pushed right up into the 24 area. Now, where we're going today, let's take a look and see if we maybe hit bottom here, at least temporarily. We've broken the trend to go to the upside. So where are we heading here on the first shot was to move up. Okay, we're probably looking for 24.25 right in this area where this structure is left here. Come back to retest this marker profile number at 24.2250 area. We should hold, and it looks like it did. Okay, right there, bounces up. Now, good chance to go long right here and move straight on up into the top of this zone, probably right up into here at the bottom. You can see we have structure right here at 24, 27.50. Look for it right there. Maybe extend, maybe a little bit of pullback, or it might go straight to this market profile line here at 24.29. So keep an eye on that. Again, that zone is there for a reason, but we're looking for initially up to at least 27.50. Look for the pullback to somewhere right around 27.75 and then push up into that if it doesn't do it the first time. All right, after it does that, look for it to break through, probably up into 31.50. Pull back or support this. We can support at 29. This is real strong support, so we can break above it and hold it. Then we'll continue on up here. Next target being 37, but we've got intermittent targets up here at 31. And then we also had some good support and consolidation at yesterday's open, 35. Ultimately, yesterday, 37.25 for a high, and that's where we'll probably end up back up today if the bulls can step in. All right, we've got to break above this and hold it to get this 39 and move on up to the other levels. Now, what about to the downside? If we come up here and double top here or hit this zone right up in this 25.75, we might even go up to this zone here at 27.50 and then drive right back down to the open. Okay, we'll cross over this 24 VWAP, come back and test zone, and then go back down. All right. So again, we're going to come back down. More than likely, stop at this 24-hour VWAP first. Okay, bounce up 20 to 20 in that area, 2050, and then back down to the open 2417. Push back up again, retest the 24-hour VWAP from the bottom side. Retest, look for it to come down more than likely all the way down to this marker profile, overnight lows 1375, 14 area. Now look for a little bit another retest to kind of push up here just a little bit. Bottom of this zone, not much of a push up because the market's going down, it's going down. And then we're going to head right on down. Next target down will be the 2407, followed by 2403. Don't know where we're going this morning or unhappy the bears are. So keep an eye on the market. And we have other zones down here at the 2400s and then market profile at 97. So let's take a look at market profile as a whole picture. On a 4-hour chart, you can see we hit this zone that we have drawn in here for several weeks now. Looking at here at 2416, 2414. We bounced off of it right up to this 22. We got to close above it. You can see where we've crossed before and what we're up against. So we might climb right back up here and find resistance and then push down and stay in this area again between the 29 and 22 or push up and look up. Look, see? Same numbers as before after that, the 36, 42, 46, and 51. Again, the downside 07, 04, 2497. All right. So we got some room to go both directions. Now let's take a look at the daily chart. Marker profile doesn't look near as bad, does it? We're just consolidated. We're just balancing in this whole area from 15 to 49, just a big balance area. And until we break out of one of these areas consistently, then we're not going anywhere. We might even come back down here and test this 05, get a 38.2 retracement bounce, and then move on up. All right. It's kind of look like it wants to do that, so keep an eye on it. Look for this 2403 possible target, and then before we drive on up. Okay. If you've got any questions, contact Frank at tradestalkers.com, and have a great day.